Hey Liam, good morning. You won't believe the dream I had last night. I was walking through a city where everyone spoke in perfect English and I could understand everything clearly. Isn't that funny? Anyway, today is a great day to practice, right? Let's make it our goal to go through 100 sentences you just can't live without in everyday life. These are the kinds of phrases you hear at coffee shops, in the office while traveling, or even during casual walks with friends. Repeat after me. Today is a great day to practice English. Let's learn together and make it fun.
Wow, that dream sounds amazing. I wish I had those kinds of dreams. But yes, let's do it. Practicing English through conversation is the best way. I learn faster when I speak out loud. So let's begin with some everyday situations. Imagine you just woke up and you're about to start your day. What's the first thing you say to yourself? Probably something like, ugh, I need 5 more minutes, right? Repeat after me. I need 5 more minutes of sleep. I'm still tired.
Exactly. And when you finally get out of bed, you might say, okay, time to face the day, or let's make today a productive one. Simple things, but useful. Now here's another. I need my morning coffee to wake up. That's me every single morning. Repeat after me. I need my morning coffee to wake up. I can't function without it.
Haha, same here. I literally walk like a zombie to the kitchen. Then I go, where's my coffee mug? I swear I left it here yesterday. And of course, the classic one, what should I wear today? Sometimes I just stare at my closet for 10 minutes doing nothing. Repeat after me. What should I wear today? I want to look good but feel comfortable.
Oh, I love that one. Choosing clothes is a daily struggle. Okay, let's jump into some real life situations like being outside. Imagine you meet your neighbor and they smile at you. What could you say? Good morning, how are you today? Or nice weather, isn't it? You see, small talk matters. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? The weather is really nice.
And if the weather is bad, you can say, it's so cloudy today. I hope it doesn't rain. Or, I forgot my umbrella again. Real English comes from real life. Like when you're waiting for the bus and someone asks, do you know what time the next bus comes? Repeat after me. Do you know what time the next bus comes? I think I missed the last one.
Yes, and if you're in a hurry, you can say, I'm running late. I hope I make it on time. Now let's go to another setting, at work or school. If someone greets you with, hey, how's your day going? You can say, pretty good, just busy, or it's been a long morning already. Repeat after me. Pretty good, just busy. I've been working since early morning.
Or, I'm trying to finish my tasks before lunch. Or even, I need a break soon. These are very natural things people say. Now, if you make a mistake at work, you might say, I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it right away. Or, thanks for pointing that out. Repeat after me. I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it right away. I appreciate your help.
So useful. Also, don't forget phrases like, can you help me with this? Or, I don't quite understand. Can you explain that again? These are key when learning or working. If you're unsure, it's always okay to ask questions. Repeat after me. Can you help me understand this? I want to get it right.
Let's do something more casual now. Suppose you're out with friends at a restaurant. What would you say? Can we see the menu, please? Or, what do you recommend? And when you're ordering, you might say, I'll have the grilled chicken with a side of salad. Repeat after me. I'll have the grilled chicken with a side of salad. That sounds delicious.
And if you don't like spicy food, you can say, can you make it less spicy, please? Or if you're allergic to something, I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe for me to eat? These are life-saving phrases, literally. Repeat after me. I'm allergic to nuts. Can you make sure this dish is safe?
Moving on to shopping, when you go to a store and see something nice, you could say, "How much does this cost?" Or, "Do you have this in a different size?" And if something's too expensive, maybe say, "That's a bit over my budget." Repeat after me. "That's a bit over my budget. Do you have something more affordable?"
Oh, yes. Or, I'm just looking. Thank you. So polite and common. And when you like something, say, "This looks perfect." Or, "I love the color." These expressions show excitement and make you sound fluent. Repeat after me. This looks perfect.
Let's go to travel-related phrases. Suppose you're at the airport. You can ask, "Where is gate 22?" Or, "What time does the flight board?" If you lose your way, "I think I'm lost. Can you help me find this terminal?" Repeat after me. "I think I'm lost. Can you help me find this terminal?"
So useful. Also, when you're checking in, I have a reservation under the name Emma Wilson. Or, "Can I have a window seat, please?" These small requests go a long way in real-life communication. Repeat after me. "Can I have a window seat, please?" I prefer sitting by the window.
Let's not forget some emotional and social phrases too. When you're happy, say, "I'm so excited about this." Or when you're sad, "I'm feeling a bit down today." And when something's confusing, "I'm not sure what's going on." Repeat after me. "I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm trying to stay calm."
We all go through those moments, and sometimes we need support. Say, "I'm here for you," or "You can talk to me anytime." Empathy is powerful, and when someone helps you, always say, "I really appreciate it. Thank you so much." Repeat after me. "I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for being there."
When saying goodbye, don't just say bye. Try these. "Take care," "Have a great evening," or "Talk to you soon." These leave a good impression and show connection. Repeat after me. "Take care. I'll talk to you again soon."
Now let's end with some motivational ones. I believe in myself. Every day is a chance to improve. Mistakes are part of learning. I will keep going no matter what. Repeat after me. I will keep going no matter what. I believe in myself.
That was a full workout for the brain. But we did it. 100 practical sentences spoken in real situations. Let's keep practicing every day, and soon English will feel natural, just like breathing. Repeat after me. Practice makes progress. I will speak confidently in English.